Cigarettes and tobacco products are getting more expensive, and customers are always looking for better deals. But at the same time, you need to make sure you're getting every dollar from your promotions and vendor programs. That's exactly where Cronysoft's scan data system helps. In this video, I'll show you how to set up scan data, connect your vendor accounts like Altria and Circana, and make sure you're tracking promotions and getting paid back correctly. Scan data works in the background every time you sell an item at the register. When eligible products are scanned, discounts or promotions from vendors like Altria and Circana or MSA are automatically applied. Cronysoft then tracks all of the data and submits reports on your behalf so you can receive your promotional allowances and reimbursements. Let's start by setting up your scan data account. Go to scan data and click add. Over here, select your agency, for example, if it's Altria, Circana, or MSA. Enter your 6-digit account number provided by the agency. Once done, click save. Cronysoft already has the backend configured to handle submissions for you. So the information below, just leave that the way it is. After saving, click on the agency you just created. This will take you to the scan data dashboard where everything is managed. Now, go to the settings tab. Fill in your store information like your store ID, store name, and the address. If you don't have a store ID, simply use your 6-digit account number for both store ID and account number, and select the correct barcode type. Next, go to the host configuration. Over here, enter the host username and password. These credentials are provided by your agency through your email. Once entered, click validate if available, then save changes. Now toggle the active button. This ensures your store data is being sent to Cronysoft for reporting and submissions. Click save changes again. Once your account is approved and active, go back to the overview section. Click sync data. This pulls in vendor promotions, deals, and eligible products. And now your system is fully connected. Next, go to the product list. Over here, you need to scan products or manually add them. Only the products added here will be included in promotions, reporting, and reimbursements. So this step is pretty critical. If a customer is registered in your loyalty program using their phone number, they can receive both scan data discounts and loyalty discounts, which increases customer satisfaction and sales. Now let's look at reporting. Go to reporting sale list. Here you'll see weekly submissions including total sales, discount quantity, discount amount, loyalty amount, and expected receivables. This expected receivable is what you should be expecting to get paid back from your agency. By clicking on the 3 dots, you will discover options like view history, resubmit your report, or download the report. By clicking the 3 lines icon, you get to see detailed item leveling reporting. You can also use search to track item discounts, mix and match, loyalty savings, and total quantities sold. In the deals and promotions section, you can view all active promotions from your agency. You can also add promotions manually, but it's recommended to use mix and match modules for better tracking and control. And that is it. Your scan data setup is now complete. Once everything is active, Cronysoft will be handling the reporting and submissions for you. So you can focus on sales while making sure you get every dollar back from your promotions. If you found this helpful, stay tuned for more Cronysoft training videos. I'll see you guys in our next video.